The multi-thread functionality allows users to combine Coloreel technology with traditional threads. My name is Mafalda and I work for Coloreel as a customer design advisor. Coloreel allows you to instantly dye millions of colors and create incredible effects such as gradients and stripes. If you want to add special details to your embroidery as metallic threads, which adds an incredible shine to it, you can combine that with Coloreel technology. You can have a really nice color blend with some extra details in other threads, different weights of threads, which also helps with the different textiles you use for your collections, and that really opens up the possibilities. The Coloreel unit is connected to the embroidery machine with a stitch sensor. This means the embroidery machine will tell the Coloreel unit when it's going to change to traditional thread. This doesn't really add any extra steps to your previous process. It's super easy and user-friendly as well.